Okay, come back to this one, general journal. Okay, let's put this without any formula. So without formula, the date, chart of account is the one that you have learned just now. This is company name, account name, so it's the same, the one that you have learned just now. Debit balance, credit balance, okay? And column 1 is the referencing. So we are going to do this. Chart of account is the same, so you can just copy and paste, okay? And then this one, name of account is the same, you can just copy and paste. But the thing is, general journal, right? You should not involve anything with cash if you still remember your general journal. Withdrawal, for example, debit drawing, credit, cannot use drawer. Okay, this figure, we figure out what is the transaction first. So the date you have to key in manually, okay? This one, from drop down list, from data validations. This one, as lookup, okay? And this is debit and credit. Now, first thing we need to do is make it as table. Okay, make sure you click this on my table has a title. Okay, if not, they will create a title for you. So now this is your title. So this one is a formula. You need to have a formula. What is a formula? The balance is also a formula, yeah, guys. So let's look at this one. Balance, you know how to do already, right? You need to be balanced or not balanced. So if sum of debit, this one, equals to sum of credit, then I will show balance. If not, then not balance. All right, this formula, I hope you still remember. Here you need to add one more. Okay, not balance. So if I put 1000 here, then it become balance. So this one is in terms of balance or not balance. Okay, but next one is this one, color. You still have to do the formatting here, change. If it is not balanced, content text of no, okay, then it will become red color. But if it is balanced, go back to the normal color. I hope you still remember this is a thing that we have to go through in the opening balance. Okay, so the last one is the referencing column. Referencing column. So here, the formula is this, okay? If this account is more than 1, okay, then we will show, this is general journal, right? You can put the code G, J, okay, or GL, depends on you guys what you guys want to put, okay? And if it is more than 1, look at the formula. If this is logical test more than 1, this column is more than 1, then I'll put GL. If this is not more than 1, then what I put? Nothing. Okay? Enter. So it'll be like this. You look at this. When I drop down, here we'll put nothing. Because why? Here got nothing. Are you okay? So this one we drop down and see. If let's say now I got something right, here you have. But why error? Because in the account you don't have this code. So you have to choose from the drop down list what is the code that you have here. Are you clear? Get it? Okay or not? So this is the one that you need to do in your GL, general journal. Okay, later we go to cash journal. Cash journal, can I go through directly? Okay. So cash journal, if you look at this, generally the format is the same. The only thing is different is generally it's the same. Now, the only thing that is different is because it's a cash, so we want to know how much balance you have in terms of the opening balance. Okay, opening balance, we want to know how much you have. So here we'll add on something. When you spend, you want to know how much money you have. So we'll use this VStack formula. If your Excel version is very old, you don't have these functions. So here VStack formula, you go to the opening balance. Look at this. This is your money here. So you will have this. We want to know how much you have here in the balance. So you can see they will show you. So let's see the opening balance. If I key in here, my petty cash, I have 900, let's say. And then operating account, I have 15,000, for example. Bank, I have 600,000, let's say. Okay, so here in your cash journal, in my cash journal, I should be able to see this now. So it will reflect your updated things. You don't need to click here and there. You will directly show this thing here. Are you okay, guys? So this is general journal. This is cash journal. Of course, because it's already in table form, so whenever you add on, okay, let's say, then it automatically update lah. Same thing here. Okay, the XLOOKUP formula will be here as well. So this table is table 5. When you go to cash journal, this table is table 57. You can change it to table 6 also can, no problem. Or you want to put cash journal also can. Up to you guys, the name of the table. You can change. Okay? Any